If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Snapchat, follow these straightforward steps. This will help you manage your account security settings effectively. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the Get icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the Security section and look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.